Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's short video I will teach you how to recover deleted apps on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To recover a deleted app, open the App Store on your device. Tap on profile icon at the top right. Tap purchased, then tap my purchases, and then tap not on this iPhone. Here you will see all the applications that you have used and are no longer installed in your iPhone. Now select the app that you want to install and then tap on download button to download it to your iPhone. That's it. Like our video and subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.